What is up, Trust You? But it's Trust to Impress, and I'm Biggity BACK back with another video. And today's video is sponsored by Lavy Hair. I am super excited to share with you guys all of the details on this Lavy Hair. Thank you so much, Lavy Hair, for sponsoring this video. I am also going to offer you guys some beginner-friendly options and advanced-friendly options for styling a curly wig like this. This was actually my first time reviewing and trying on and wearing and all the things to a curly wig. Of course, I'm going to look out for you guys. I'm going to make sure that all of the ordering details are down in the description box below, and in the comments, I'm also going to include my discount code. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share out this video.
This wig is Lavy Hair's 20-inch Italian curly glueless wig. As you can see, the wig is very full. It is a 180% density wig, and the lace at the front is 9x6, so there is a lot of parting and styling space. This is my first HD lace wig that I did not have to tint the lace on. So the lace is already the perfect color to match my skin complexion. There is a no slip grip on the back. Of course, it has the elastic band, hence it's glueless. There are 4 combs inside, and you can see that the wig construction is very nice and comfortable. The knots are supposed to be pre-bleached. In my opinion, they don't appear pre-bleached. They are just very small, easily concealed knots along the hairline. The hairline mimics the forehead, so it has a nice natural contour. As you can see, the lace extends from ear to ear on me, and although this wig is marketed as a ready-to-wear glueless wig, I do have lace that I need to cut. This particular wig has a pre-cut lace option when ordering. So if you are interested in this wig and you want to be able to wear the wig straight out of the packaging, then make sure that you choose the pre-cut lace option. I simply cut the lace. I'm placing the wig back on my head so that you can see exactly what the wear and go option would look like. Initially, I was not pleased to find that the wig was not pre-cut. However, it is a great option if you're intending to go with the glue route. So once again, if you're going to order this wig and you want it ready to wear, please make sure that you select the pre-cut option. Now that I am finished combing out the curls, here is what the wig looks like, straight from the box to the head. I personally would use a little bit of product to tack down the lace just above the ears on each side at the very least, so that it is not flapping in the wind, but I think this is a great look. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the beginner-friendly, ready-to-wear version of this look. Now let's get into the advanced install, or shall I say intermediate. I think that cornrows for the foundation is definitely intermediate. It took me 2 tries to get these 6 cornrows neat enough and flat enough on my head. Honestly, for beginner friendly, I would just pull my hair back in a low bun and put this wig on. Now I'm going to go ahead and condition the hair. The care instructions say to co-wash the hair, so I just put conditioner on it and rinsed it out. And this is the condition of the hair after rinsing the conditioner. I'm adding leave-in conditioner. The hair did appear to tangle up quite a bit, so I was a little bit nervous at this point, but I trusted the process. The care instructions also say that you are supposed to comb this hair with a wide tooth comb. I could not locate mine, so I started to use a paddle brush very gently from the ends up to the roots of the wig, and everything went well. The detangling process went fairly quickly and easily, and there was minimal shedding. I'm actually going to show you how much hair shedded from this wig through each step. I proceeded with giving her a middle part as straight as I could possibly get it. I'm going to show a simple middle part and side part. I believe that using the canvas head is one of my more advanced techniques. However, all of the steps that I am doing could easily be done with the wig on my head. At this point, I'm going to use mousse to mold the part down as flat as I can get it and coat the curls so that they have a nice clump and a nice definition to them. Then I am going to finally scrunch the curls just a bit to add more volume into the curls before I allow this hair to dry. I will say that the volume and the definition of the curls before I co-washed the hair did not return. However, I may have been able to get a little bit more volume with diffusing the hair. However, I just ended up letting her sit under my hooded dryer for 30 minutes on medium heat setting. Now, I am putting the wig back on my head so that we can check out what this middle part really looks like. I'm going to make sure that the side combs are secured as close to my hairline as I possibly can. At this point, I was hoping to get the lace as flat as possible without using any tape or glue. With having the lace from ear to ear, that pushes the band back, that secures the wig on your head a little bit more, and therefore that elastic band can't hold the lace as taut to your skin. Ultimately, the lace looks a little loose if not secured around the ears. This is also me showing that the hairline had some baby hairs already pre-plucked and pre-sectioned. They just need to be cut and laid down if you like to have the baby edges. And this is what the middle part looks like. It's my favorite look. Y'all let me know down in the comments what you think. The texture of the hair came out amazing, but as you can see, it looks completely different from the beginning. It's more of a wave curl than a spiral curl like it was in the beginning. Now I'm going to show you all a side part, and I immediately realized that the side part is advanced skill set. For starters, I did not mold and dry the hair in this part, so that was part of the issue. I added a little bit of mousse to redefine those curls that I brushed through. I think that the side part would only look realistic if I was to take the time to hot comb the part and really lay it open and make it look very natural. I attempted to cut the baby hairs, but they still needed to be curled and laid down to really look natural. So that's why I say the side part will be advanced, and I was not trying to go there with this wig, but I did enough for you all to be able to get an idea of what the side part would look like.
Here's the middle part. I like the middle part the best. You guys let me know down in the comments which one you like the best, the middle part or the side part. I think I'm a little bit more comfortable with the middle part until I have time to go back in and really mold down that side part and get the baby hairs just right so that it looks as realistic as possible. The middle part is so beginner friendly. So I don't have this I don't have my lace melted, I don't have the lace tinted, I don't have anything glued down, I don't have anything taped down, yet this is still cute. I have enough space to tuck my hair behind my ear because of the construction of the cap. So A++ on all of that lavy hair. So y'all let me know, do you like the textured wigs better or the straight wigs better? Down in the comments below. Let me tell you, I love my natural hair down. I love to encourage my fellow curly girls to wear your natural hair, but you need this wig. Now I shared my wig, now it's time for you to go order yours. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share out this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.